What are the different types of heat exchanger? In general, the different types of heat exchanger are the double pipe heat exchanger, cross-flow heat exchanger, and the shell and tube heat exchanger. Let us understand each of these heat exchanger one by one. First, let us understand double pipe heat exchanger. Double pipe heat exchanger consists of two concentric pipes as shown. The cold fluid enters through the inner pipe and the hot fluid enters through the outer pipe. Both these fluids flow parallel to each other towards the outlet. Depending upon the direction of fluid flow, a double pipe heat exchanger is classified as parallel flow heat exchanger and counter flow heat exchanger. Now let us discuss parallel flow heat exchanger. In a parallel flow heat exchanger, both the hot and cold fluids enter from the same side and flow in the same direction. Now let us discuss counter flow heat exchanger. And in a counter flow heat exchanger, the hot and cold fluids enter from the opposite side and flow in the opposite direction. Now let us take a look at a cross-flow heat exchanger. In a cross-flow heat exchanger, the cold fluid flow in the tubes, and the hot fluid flows in the direction perpendicular to the tubes, between the different plates. Thus, in the cross-flow heat exchanger, the hot and cold fluids flow perpendicular to each other. In the cross-flow heat exchanger, the flow of fluid through a tube is known as tube flow, and the flow of fluid perpendicular to the tube is known as cross flow. Depending upon the mixing of fluids, a cross-flow heat exchanger is further classified as unmixed flow heat exchanger and mixed flow heat exchanger. Now let's discuss unmixed flow heat exchanger. In an unmixed flow heat exchanger, the fluid flowing over the tubes does not mix with each other and the flow is perpendicular to the tubes. And now let's discuss mixed flow heat exchanger. In a mixed flow heat exchanger, the fluid flowing over the tubes mix with each other. And the flow is perpendicular to the tubes and also along the tubes. Now let us take a look at the shell and tube heat exchanger. It consists of a container known as shell, in which a large number of tubes are packed parallel to each other as shown. The cold fluid enters through the tubes and the hot fluid enters through the shell. Thus, shell and tube heat exchanger consists of a container known as shell, in which a large number of tubes are packed parallel to each other. Related terms are LMTD method, NTU method, and fouling factor. Question. Remember keywords. Related terms are: remember diagram,